بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. السلام علیکم ویورز، آپ دیکھ رہے ہیں الفا ویو بائی سیم علی دادا پاورڈ بائی سوشیون. اور جیسے کہ آپ جانتے ہیں ایک سپر سول کی سیریز ہم لے کر آ رہے ہیں جس میں میری کوشش یہ ہوتی ہے کہ میں آپ کو ان گیسٹ سے ملواؤں جن کی کنٹریبیوشن نہ صرف ملکی سطح پر ہوتی ہے بلکہ انٹرنیشنل لیول پر بھی وہ پاکستان کو ریپرزینٹ کرنے میں، اس کا سافٹ امیج بلڈ کرنے میں، کریٹ کرنے میں اور پورٹرے کرنے میں بہت اہم کردار رکھتے ہیں. آج اس شخصیت سے میں آپ کو ملوا رہی ہوں. ان کی شخصیت کے بہت سے پہلو ہیں. ہاسپٹیلٹی کا نام لے لیں، آرکیٹیکچر کو دیکھ لیں، انٹیریئرس کو دیکھ لیں، ایک ایمبینس کیسے کریٹ کرتے ہیں، ایک کچن کیسا ہونا چاہیے، ایک فوڈ کی سرونگ کیسے ہونی چاہیے، اور اس سے بڑھ کر بھی بہت سی چیزیں ہیں جو ان کی پرسنالٹی میں جو آپ کو وہ خود ہی بتائیں گے اور اپنے پروجیکٹس کے بارے میں بھی ڈسکس کریں گے. آئی ایم شیور کہ آپ اب تک جان چکے ہوں گے میں کس کی بات کر رہی ہوں. ہمارے ساتھ آج موجود ہیں کامران شیخ صاحب. السلام علیکم سر. کیسے ہیں؟ Thank you so much for joining us. It was being so many days and months to catch him. And finally, I did it.
See, I'm here.
Yes, you are here. I'm so happy to see you. تو میں یہ پوچھنا چاہوں گی آپ سے کہ آپ اپنے سفر کے بارے میں، اپنے پہلے پروجیکٹ، آپ کو پہلے ذہن میں کیسے آیا کہ آپ نے یہ پروجیکٹ کرنا ہے؟ بیکاز ایٹ دیٹ ٹائم تھنگز ور ڈفرینٹ. لوگ اتنا باہر کھانا کھانے پہ یا باہر چیزوں پہ جانے پہ اتنا زیادہ ولنگ نہیں ہوتے تھے. when you did it.
It's a very good question. I gone in the 70s and I was in the States for almost 15 years. So I was living there. I had no intentions of ever coming back. I didn't think of that. But nobody can do any special thing without God, تو انہوں نے اٹھا کے مجھے یہاں پھینک دیا.
وہ ہمارے لیے.
And then I came from New York. And میں نے اپنی حساب سے ایک چھوٹا سا ریسٹورینٹ بنایا تھا. وہ میناج کی بات کر رہے ہیں نا. This is 1984. So I had just made a small little restaurant because they were reasonable, because میں business بھی وہی کرتا آیا تھا. I was with the company in New York City. ہمارے head offices وہاں پارک لین پہ تھے. And we had about 66 restaurants. And they were all over the southeast coast. So I was a part of that company for the longest time, And I'd gone also to some very, very fancy places like, you might have heard the Brennans.
Yes, why not?
Okay, or the breakfast at Brennan's with Audrey Hepburn or whatever. Anyways,
Wow.
I worked for a lady called Ella Brennan. She headhunted me. You know headhunting, right?
Yes.
I never went for a job. I used to be always shaky. But she headhunted me, and I went and worked for a place called Commander's Palace. So I'm standing there, I'm about 28 years or 29 years old, and I'm saying, it should be like this and it should be like that. And she said, kid, how old are you? So I said, 28 or 29 or whatever I said. And she said, I've been in the business 40 years. I felt like drowning myself in the ground. It was packed. If you wanted to eat there, you had to make a reservation 6 months in advance.
Oh my God, really?
Yes, in the Garden District. Check it out, called Commander's Palace. But this woman who you have a love-hate relationship with, because this kind of hospitality business is a very stand-up, 22-hour type business. It's not a luxury business.
Obviously.
It's like theater, but perpetual theater. Theater is a short term, and then you stop, and then you rehearse, and you come back or whatever. This is you're on stage for 8 hours or 7 hours or 8 hours or 10 hours. That's why the ambience, and that's why the...
Yes, obviously, because you have to look at each and every detail, and you cannot miss even one thing.
And I came to do, when I saw the place, I had a partner at Farooq was my partner. So at that time we thought, it's choti si jagah, it's a 185 seater. I didn't realize that was a huge one for Pakistan. Main to udhar hi raha na, 8.5 months I lived in that. And when we got ready, people got paranoid and scared.
Why?
It was too much for them.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
I can
They'd open the door, go and leave. So that's how my beginning. It was a tough beginning. Eventually, of course, it set the stage for interior design. It set the stage for 84 ki baat ho rahi hai. It set the stage for continental cuisine and full service fine dining with service. All of those, the ambience.
Exactly.
It set the stage. اس سے پہلے اسٹیو کا وہ تھا مین بولیوارڈ پہ. اسٹیو کیا تھا نام اس کا چائنیز ریسٹورینٹ ایک تھا نا, بہت پاپولر, ویری پاپولر, جو لائک مچھی مارکیٹ اور سم تھنگ, very noisy, and
Even landscape and everything, you set the stage at that time. It was
because
too much for people, I
yeah,
guess.
yeah, but no, people used to say कि ये जो आप फिल्म चला रहे हैं ना, इसको जरा ऑफ करके दिखाएं. मैं कौन सी फिल्म चला रहे हैं? कि वो जो पानी वो रियल तो नहीं है.
Oh God.
Because you know why? The window that you were looking out from, the glass in the window was double beveled. उस जमाने में मुझे कह रहे सर तुसी की करना है डबल बेवल किने देखना है? मैं कहा मैं देखना है.
Yes.
मैं देखना है. I want to satisfy myself. So when they would see that, they really thought कि वो, because there was wind blowing and it was a, that sort of a thing, and of course Colonel Ijaz's magical
he
touch.
is a magician.
Yeah.
He can convert anything into a
It was so beautiful, so beautiful. It was like a little stream. Garden room था हमारे पास एक left side पे, if you remember. Maybe not. But उधर उसके outside was like a little stream. You're sitting in the hills somewhere or something like that. So all of that started the architecture strongly, although it was happening before. There's some wonderful, superb architects in Pakistan. Nayyar Saab and then Habib, one of my favorite people. Shahid Abdullah and then so many others, Arcop and this and that, and a bunch of really, really good, talented people. But design, I think, interior design started from Minaj.
Oh, yes.
Because till that time, people didn't know what the concept of design, at least in our part of the world. Everybody had the Chinyoti furniture. They thought that was it, And then when they came to the very, very smooth lines of Minaj, then the people started realizing. फिर सबके घर पे वो दरवाजा था और सबके घर पे वो खिड़की थी और सबके घर में वो वाटरफॉल
थी. So you were trendsetter. मुझे ये बताइए कि देखिए उस टाइम पे बहुत से लोगों को इस चीज़ का अंदाज़ा नहीं होता था कि हमने बाहर जाके सिर्फ खाना ही खाना. एटलीस्ट उस टाइम मुझे ये लगता है कि people were like looking really we can have food, but you gave them idea that how it should be served. Even waiters का जो एक conduct होता है, I think you introduced it.
Yeah, but you have to take a chance in life. And you can be the best at something, but if you can't express that, if you cannot express and have it enjoyed by people, then you failed in a way, right? So when we opened, I paranoid everybody. Everybody got very nervous from us, from me or from this space or whatever. So usko mellow out karna, that was my hardest thing. It took me a while to let people relax, and enjoy. And besides just eating, sit there. 1.5 hours.
Ambience को देखें, lights को देखें, serving को देखें.
Service. I think यहाँ पे हमारे even today, I think Pakistan is very much behind in service, specifically in service. बहुत पीछे हैं हम लोग. हम लोग समझते हैं कि I'm doing you a favor if I'm serving you.
Yeah. We don't take it as a professional thing.
We don't take it as we're not proud of our service. We're ashamed of our service. I think that's the Saab mentality or the British influence or whatever, yeah. And then you have to eventually get over that. So today I see a lot of kids, I see a lot of schools, I see a lot of colleges doing hospitality courses. It makes me feel so good, so good that it's become a big thing now today.
It's an industry, no? People are getting
It always
employment.
was. It always was an industry.
It always was. But now people have realized that it's not a bad thing and you don't have to be ashamed of this thing. The way you said, कि हम लोग को अपने ज़हन में ही बिठा के रखा हुआ.
HSN में, I'm not going to mention the principal's name.
Okay,
HSN में जब उनके ओल्ड बॉयज एसोसिएशन टाइप चीज को कुछ 400 बच्चों ने आना था उधर, लड़कों ने आना था उधर, तो they wanted somebody to do catering out of Minaj.
Okay.
So we did a catering. So we did a very excellent catering हो गई. तो then he came, the principal came to Minaj. तो somebody introduced me कि ये खैर जानता ही था मैं, तो कि ये देखें ज़रा इनका ये है वो है. तो मैंने कहा I would love to see you giving some courses. To see I'm associating it to Cornell.
Oh, yes.
Right? And I'm associating HSN at the same level, And I'm saying I hope कि आप कुछ ऐसे कर सकें कि जो just, what, he got offended.
Really?
He said नहीं हमारे तो MNAs बनते हैं और bureaucrats बनते हैं. Zook, both of them are HSonians. How's that? It started 27 years ago. So I broke that. I broke that thing. Because you have to break that thing. You know, यहाँ पे शर्म आती है, यहाँ पे मैं इन साहब को बोलूँ कि मुझे पानी दो तो ये कहेंगे कि बड़े बदतमीज आदमी, मुझे पानी मांगा मुझसे।
और फिर पानी कैसे देना है,
हाँ, वो तो पता ही नहीं है
वो तो
ना।
खैर वो एक अलग स्टोरी है,
हाँ,
वो एक अलग चैप्टर
जी
है।
जी जी बिल्कुल।
अच्छा, आपने इतने प्रोजेक्ट्स किए, सबसे ज्यादा आपके दिल के करीब व्हिच वन यू थिंक दैट वाज सो क्लोज टू योर हार्ट?
Every one of them.
हाँ,
पता क्या मेरा एक इशू है, वो ये है कि you have to fall in love with what you do. And if you don't, then you can't do it so well. You can't. You know, and it doesn't mean that for the rest of your life you're in love with it, but you know, you bear a child. I just feel like I'm bearing a child, 8.5 months to 10 months.
I understand.
Then something comes out, then you have to walk it through.
Yeah.
You know,
It's your baby.
it's your baby.
Yeah.
So unless you really feel that love for that space, you're not going to be able to create something. And I think it's most important issue in life is to love what you do.
अच्छा, आप मुझे ये बताइए सर कि आपके हर प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर कोई नई चीज़ इंट्रोड्यूस होती है। आई ऑलवेज सी दिस थिंग व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट गन स्मोक, व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट वरांडा, मे बी कोई कोर्टयार्ड की चीज़ इंट्रोड्यूस करे जो उस वक्त इतनी नहीं थी
जी।
ठीक है, और वो फाइन डाइनिंग के एक छोटे से कोर्टयार्ड में बैठ के विद नाइस सर्विंग, विद नाइस यू नो एम्बियंस, लाइट्स की चीज़ें मुझे बहुत पसंद आती हैं, क्योंकि मेरा सब मजाक उड़ाते हैं कि तुम्हें खाने से ज़्यादा क्रॉकरी की पड़ी होती है, हालांकि ऐसा नहीं है। दीज थिंग्स आर इंटर रिलेटेड। गन स्मोक में मुझे याद पड़ते द वे दे सर्व्ड, इट वाज लाइक यू नो लिटिल बिट राउडी एंड थिंग्स लाइक, इट वाज आल्सो गिविंग यू सम काइंड ऑफ a different kind of kick. So how do you manage to bring every time a new thing?
You know, I think one of the if one is creative or wants to be creative, one of the things is not to repeat yourself. At least not 100%. You know, if you do a cookie cutter approach, which is मैंने ये बनाया वैसे एक और बना दिया, जो mall one का हाल जो है. You know, they have different names with the same menu, which is so unfortunate. You know, but there's no creativity. Just by having an orange wall and a pink name doesn't make the difference. The difference is how you present yourself and what kind of cuisine are you going to have, you know. So I've always felt we wanted to do burgers. We had already done 1 potato, 2 potato. Today it's standing on its own very much, mashallah, and I think it will be
fan.
I'll be the future McDonald's of
from
Pakistan. I can guarantee you.
Important thing is that that's more natural. That's not a process or real.
इससे real fries
हाँ,
पाकिस्तान में नहीं आपको कोई दे सकता।
मसाला फ्राइज
नहीं रियल, मतलब कि दे आर नॉट आउट ऑफ अ फ्रीजर, दे आर नॉट फ्रोजन, दे आर नॉट reconstituted. We cut them there, we wash them there, we cook them there, you know,
and right in front of the customer.
Yes,
that's the best part.
Gunsmoke में we wanted to do a burger. तो मैंने कहा यार ये बीफ बर्गर खाएंगे, पंजाबी तो नहीं बीफ खाएगा, उसको अल्फाज बी का दे दो तो he makes a beeline for the door. So we said नहीं क्या करें, कराची में खोलें कि लाहौर में खोलें, we want to do a little takeaway type thing. वो takeaway छोटा करते करते वो छोटी सी जगह बना ली, you know, and I think we still probably you cannot surpass the burger that we had at Gunsmoke till today. We wanted to create a burger, and I think we created a marvelous burger, you know, and that's what Gunsmoke became popular for. And steaks.
Yeah, and steaks.
And
yes,
steaks.
we had steak once.
Yeah.
I think a couple of years
Yeah.
back we had
Yeah.
steaks over
Yeah.
there. So tell me, क्या जब आप कोई प्रोजेक्ट बनाते हैं तो फिर आप उसकी पूरी थीम सोचते हैं
सब कुछ।
कि वेटर भी क्या पहनेगा,
Oh,
और
yes.
वो कैसे बातचीत करेगा, उसकी ट्रेनिंग क्या होगी?
जी।
Always.
Well, I take the level, whatever level, let's say अगर हम वरांडा लें या Gunsmoke लें, so I wanted good looking boys that with the cap look like cowboys, you know.
Yes.
And they had that
cowboys की थीम थी
हाँ
उसकी,
उसकी
exactly.
cowboy theme
हाँ,
थी।
हाँ.
Everything was the वो Clint Eastwood की वो from some movie
For a
हमने
few
वो
dollars more.
Yes!
I got it.
वो इमरान मीर was
और आपने
the
पिक्चर्स भी लगाई हुई हैं।
हाँ हाँ
Yeah.
हाँ पिक्चर भी लगाई हुई थी। So these guys used to be play the rough and tough, you know, that sort of a thing. And I think that's what creates the fun of it. Why do I have, if I go out somewhere to eat and I have an experience and reasonably good food, then I think I'm going to think about it again,
Yeah.
you know. But if I just go for the food, I mean, I don't believe in takeaways, personally. I don't believe in खाना खाना है तो आपको रेस्टोरेंट जाके खाना चाहिए. If you really want the full detail of it, you know. Because वो juicy भी है, वो बन गीला हो गया तो ये हो गया तो fry यूं हो गई है, whatever. So I was very, very pleased with Gunsmoke as well. Thematic आपने कहा क्यों मैं different करता हूँ. veranda was very Mediterranean.
Yeah.
The mood was Mediterranean, the theme was Mediterranean, the atmosphere was Mediterranean, the khana was Mediterranean. शुरू में तो खैर किसी को पसंद ही नहीं आया खाना.
थोड़ा सा हर कोई वही आप वाली बात है कि घबराते हैं हम सब लोग, एक्सपेरिमेंट से भी घबराते हैं.
नहीं, हम कहते हैं कि देखो जी मुझे वो क्या कहते हैं चिकन टेरागॉन खाना है, वो अच्छा लगा है, या कैशू नट खाना है, बस उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं खाना. But that doesn't work like that. The reason we still need to educate ourselves. हालांकि इतने सारे restaurants hospitality में आ गए हैं. There's much better service today, much better interiors today, and all the kids doing a wonderful job, and inshallah they'll keep on doing the job better and better, and we'll get extremely good at it, you know.
Yeah. So मुझे ये बताएं कि मेन्यू बनाते हुए so you keep in mind कि आप कस्टमर को सामने सोच के रखते हैं या आप अपने एक्सपेरिमेंट ही
देखिए ना, अगर कस्टमर को सोचना है तो फिर आप मेन्यू नहीं बनाएंगे ना. फिर आप क्लब सैंडविच, उसका क्लब सैंडविच, तो उसका ये, तो इसका ये लगा के डाल देंगे. कस्टमर ने आराम से उनको, दे वेरी कंफर्टेबल विद दैट. सो दैट चैलेंज of making a brand new menu and a brand new taste is what is restaurant is all about. Restauranting का मतलब ही ये है, चिकन वही होता है बीबी.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
It's the same, you know. It's how you're presenting it. It's what the sauces are. It's how you're working on it as far as cooking it.
Yeah.
And all those things change. So I love that idea that you can go to Gunsmoke and have that experience. You can go to Veranda and have the Mediterranean experience. You can go to Potato and have the fast food experience with real food.
Yeah.
The same food that's being served in Veranda and the same food that's being the actual food. And in Gunsmoke, you know. And you go same food in Zouk for that matter.
ये वीडियो सोशोन के ताउन से पेश की गई है. सोशोन पाकिस्तान का नेशनल सोशल मीडिया नेटवर्क है. अपना अकाउंट बनाने के लिए soshon.com पर जाएं या गूगल प्ले स्टोर और एप्पल ऐप स्टोर से सोशोन ऐप डाउनलोड करें और पाकिस्तान का अपना सोशल मीडिया इस्तेमाल करें.